Tonight, 7 investigators are shedding more light on a brutal attack inside the Wayne County Jail.
It cost one man his life and could cost taxpayers a small fortune. Thomas Carr was serving a jail sentence for a DUI when the Wayne County prosecutor says he was brutally murdered by Claude Lewis, an inmate with a long history of violence and mental illness.
Well, since Carr's death in July, the Wayne County Sheriff has successfully avoided questions about what went wrong inside the jail until now. Here's 7 investigator Ross Jones.
In the 110 days since an inmate was attacked and later died in the Wayne County Jail, there's a lot that hasn't happened. The man charged with the murder, despite a history of severe mental illness, hasn't received any treatment for it, according to his lawyer. The sheriff's office hasn't explained how so many different systems failed and whether they've been fixed today. And the sheriff himself hasn't taken questions about any of it, despite mounting evidence that this death could have been prevented.
In August, Sheriff Raphael Washington released a one-page statement blaming a jail deputy and his supervisor for failing to do their rounds. But as we've reported, what went wrong in the jail that day went much deeper than that.
Failure number 1. Thomas Carr's cellmate, Claude Lewis, was booked into the jail on a domestic violence charge. He'd had 8 prior convictions in his criminal history, including 2 felonies for aggravated battery, 1 for burning or exploding property, and another for felon in possession of a firearm. Despite his violent history, Lewis was placed with a non-violent cellmate. Number 2. A check in the Law Enforcement Information Network, or LEAN, revealed a warning that Lewis may harm self or others, was unable to attend to basic needs or understand the need for treatment, and had been involuntarily committed a year prior. But he wasn't placed on the county's mental health floor. Number 3. Lewis's mother reported calling jail staff the day her son was booked, telling them he needed his psychiatric medications. She says her call was never returned. And number 4, we've learned that Lewis himself disclosed his history of mental illness during jail intake. Medical staff flagged him for additional mental health screening the next day. But before it ever happened, he was accused of bludgeoning Thomas Carr. Carr's family has since hired an attorney.
Another red flag of many. Unfortunately, a lot of people failed to take care of the situation and make sure that, he was placed in the proper cell on the proper floor.
Rita Soka is the attorney for Claude Lewis, who was recently ordered for a competency evaluation at the Center for Forensic Psychiatry.
And the result was what?
He is incompetent to stand trial. Claude is someone who is in critical need of psychiatric treatment, and that we hope that we can get him in sooner rather than later.
Sheriff, can we speak to you, sir, about the murder in the jail?
After avoiding our questions for months, we found the sheriff at a public event in Dearborn, where he used his bodyguards to shield himself from our questions.
Sheriff, could you stop running so we could ask you a question, sir?
Sir, I'm not running. I'm busy.
Who made the decision to put those 2 inmates in the same cell? Sheriff, how did so many different systems fail all at once in your jail, sir?
Like he has since July, Washington left without answering a single question, his bodyguards ushering him out a side door, then blocking us from walking through it.
Really? You think this looks good?
Well, even though he's been deemed incompetent, Claude Lewis is still residing in the Wayne County Jail tonight. His attorney says he is on a lengthy waiting list for a state psychiatric bed. Once a bed opens up, mental health professionals will try to restore him to competency so he can stand trial for that murder.
And of course, our hearts just break for Carr's family, and
Absolutely.
they certainly deserve answers.
Well, and these aren't tough questions. What went wrong and what did you do to fix it? Because there are still inmates coming in every day, and you don't want something like this to happen a second time.
And we don't know whether things at the jail have been fixed or if things been changed, because...
Well, the folks I talk to who are in there every day say things have not gotten better, so...
Okay, thanks for staying on top of it, Ross.